So hello everyone. This is Melissa with I'm doing the Pinterest challenge about filling up your Air-wick refills. But on the Pinterest challenge, they got where you put Fabuloso in the Air-wick um, refills. And to me, that kind of didn't work because it's water and this is oil based. So I thought I took it a bit further, and I've been buying these essential oils from Walmart, and this oh my god, citrus cilantro smells. Oh my god, it smells so good. So I decided to, instead of putting Fabuloso in it, try it with the essential oils. I mean, it's oil in here, so my thing is, why not put oil back in it? And I've seen people on YouTube put water and oil in it, but I just put like, I think this is like 25 drops of this. And this big bottle is at Walmart for $5.23. Now, if this works, this will be an amazing sale. So, what I did was I pried off the top, and then I put the oil in it. Like I said, it's like 25 drops. And I used one of the little precision screwdrivers you can get at the Dollar Tree or the dollar store or wherever. And I pried it off. So I'm going to try it. And I will come back with the review tomorrow. I'm thinking it's going to work. And I didn't dilute it. I just put straight oil in it. I didn't dilute it with water. So we're going to see. Okay, bye.